Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will implement add and edit model pop-up window and we will consume post API method in student page. So currently we have this department model pop-up window. So we have to create add model pop-up with fields student ID, student name, further name and department. Okay, let's create a new file here. New file add student model.js. So what I will do, I will copy from add department model and pasting in add student model. Then we will do some changes here. So this is mandatory for all the component. Then we have imported a model button row call form. This is for form fields and model. Then we have imported snack bar and icon button. We have changed the class name to add student model. Then we have this is for snack bar. Then we have binder handle submit. We add a snack bar close function here. This is used when we click manually in the snack bar close button in handle submit. So this is used to insert a new record. We are consuming post API here. Change the API URL to student student. Then headers remain same. In body it will be student ID, your student name, so change the name here. In post method no need to send a student ID, but post API method is expecting, so we are passing student ID as null. Then we are passing student name. Then we have to pass remaining fields for the name. So copy this name and pasting here. Then we have one more column department. So even dot target dot department name department. Okay. For the name department. Okay. These four columns are in student table. Then we are getting response and the response will be shown in snack bar. Okay, that's it. In render method, here like bottom. This is for snack bar. Okay. Here change the name to add student. Add student. Then we have form group here. Change the name. Control ID. Student name. Your label will be student name. Then name. So placeholder also student name. Okay, control ID, label, text, type text, name, student name. This is a required field, placeholder. Okay, copy this form group. Like this student name, we need a text box for other two fields, for the name and department. Okay. Now change this with for the name. Then label also father name. Okay, here department. Then name department and placeholder also department name. Okay. Then we add a button save. Here it will be save only. Okay. We have close button. Okay, that's it. Save this and go to student component here. Here copy the student model name and replace this add department model with add student model. Then we are using the add department model here. Okay, replace this with add student model. Okay, that's it. I hope there is no issues. Let's check it. See here, we have the add student model pop-up, student name, father name and department. We have a save button and close button. In our next video, we will learn how to implement a drop down for the department. In the drop down, we will fill department names. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. See you there in next video.